Feeling lonely after 60? Think love and companionship are out of reach? Think again. Research shows that emotional connections in later years can be even deeper and more fulfilling. But how do you break free from loneliness and find real companionship? Stay with me till the end, because we're revealing practical, science-backed steps to help you rediscover love at any age. 1. The reality of loneliness after 60. According to a study published by the National Institute on Aging, nearly 30% of people over 60 report feelings of loneliness. But here's the surprising part: many of them still crave connection and love. So, is it too late to find love? Absolutely not. Studies suggest that relationships in later life can be more emotionally fulfilling than those in youth. Why? Because with age comes wisdom, self-awareness, and a clearer sense of what truly matters in a partner. 2. It's never too late. Breaking the mental barriers. Many seniors believe dating or finding new friendships isn't an option. I'm too old. I don't know where to start. Who would be interested in me? If you've ever thought this, you're not alone. But here's the truth: self-confidence is the #1 factor in attracting meaningful relationships. And guess what? Confidence has no age limit. 3. Where to meet like-minded people. Now that we've tackled self-doubt, let's talk about finding the right people. Whether you're looking for love, friendship, or companionship, there are so many ways to connect. Here are some of the best places to meet potential partners or friends. Join local hobby groups. Whether it's painting, hiking, or music, shared interests create natural conversations. Try senior-friendly dating apps. Silver Singles, Our Time, and even Facebook groups for seniors are great places to start. Attend social events. Community centers, book clubs, or travel groups often organize meetups that make it easy to interact. 4. The power of self-love and confidence. Before you can find love in someone else, you need to rediscover love for yourself. Did you know? A Harvard study found that people who engage in self-care and personal growth tend to attract deeper, more fulfilling relationships. How to practice self-love after 60. Stay physically active. Exercise boosts confidence and keeps you feeling young. Practice mindfulness. Yoga or meditation can improve emotional well-being. Explore new passions. Learning something new keeps life exciting. 5. Final thoughts. Love has no age limit. Here's the biggest takeaway from today: your journey to love and connection is not over. Whether you're looking for romance or just meaningful companionship, there's a whole world of opportunities waiting for you. So, tell me in the comments what's one step you'll take today to step out of your comfort zone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our next video on dating tips for seniors. You won't want to miss it.